Hello and good morning. Uju, good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. November 20th, 2019. Now come back over. 19. Our word today is microwave. Microwave. Ooh, very good. Microwave. Sui, come here. And microwave. 전자렌지. Microwave. Our sentence. I cook. In the microwave. So let's type. I cook. Uju, I cook. Popcorn. In the microwave. I cook. What do we cook? Do you have an idea? What do you have? What do you cook? I cook rice in the microwave sometimes. I cook corn dogs. Corn? That's the hot dog on a stick? We call corn dog. A corn dog in the microwave. Like a hot dog. Sausage.
Like a funny one.
A funny sausage. The corn dog looks like this, Uju. Like this. And then it's got the stick. A corn dog. Yeah, corn dog. We cook the corn dogs in the microwave. Alright, so type down below. I cook in the microwave. And then I will put your name in the bucket. So everyone, Uju, say have a good Wednesday. Say have a nice Wednesday.
Have
Have a good Wednesday. I will see you at school. Alright, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.